Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your friend code on your Nintendo Switch when you're trying to add someone and it's simply not working. Now what you could do is reissue your friend code so you get an entirely new one. So to do this on the home screen, let's go up to the top and go to my page. So your friend's code is going to be listed right here. It says SW, long number. We can get this completely reissued, so if the one we currently have isn't working, let's try it. Let's go to user settings, go right, scroll on down. Let's continue go on down. So you can see where it says friends function. Let's go to here and then go to friends settings. Let this load and then scroll on down. And then we have reissue the friend code. This will change your friend code. So we can select this and it says you won't be able to receive another code for 30 days. So you can't do this just all the time. So if it's broken, you can just try this out. Then your friend needs to go to add friend. Go to search with friend code right here. And they can add you under this list. Now you don't need to add SW, you just need the long numbers. And then you can go to OK. And then you have to come to this section and go to friend requests on the top. And then accept it. So let's accept one friend. And then you should be good to go. Let's go to Diego. And then go to his name, accept this. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech-up videos coming up next on YourSixGaming. We're friends.